Well, hello again, another short video. This time we're going to be talking about the present continuous. So let's just dive straight in. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and all that. So está plus a plus infinitive. Now we use this for something that is happening at the moment. So for example, eu estou a falar. I am speaking. So let's just see what we've got underneath here. Ele está a fazer o jantar. Ele está a fazer o jantar. Estou a falar contigo. I am speaking with you. Estou a falar contigo. Eu estou a dar uma aula. I am giving a lesson. Eu estou a dar uma aula. Os vizinhos estão a fazer barulho. The neighbors are making a noise. Os vizinhos estão a fazer barulho. O cão está a ladrar. The dog is barking. O cão está a ladrar. So you see, to make these phrases, what we do is we conjugate the verb estar. So we change estar for each person. Eu, tu, ele, nós, etc. And then we place the a and then the infinitive. So estar, a, infinitive. So we can see ele está a fazer o jantar. So we've got está a fazer. Now this is one peculiarity here. So this is what we'll do with this verb. We don't really do this with any other verbs. We don't really use this a. I think in Spanish they use it quite a lot, but we only use it for the verb estar plus infinitive. So when we're talking about the present continuous. So, okay, I'm going to ask you, o que está a fazer agora? And I would like you to comment below and let me know what you're doing now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends. And I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.